How to install and set up the Smartlink app to become the lock user. To begin, please find a compatible smartphone or tablet. Scan the QR code. Download the Smartlink application. Launch the Smartlink app on your device. Tap Register. Please carefully read the terms of use. Tap Agree button. Next is to set up the account passcode, unlock passcode, and face recognition data. First, enter the app account information. Next is to set the account passcode for logging into the Smartlink app and the passcode for unlocking the door. Once finished, please tap the icon below. Verify your email address in the next step. Check your inbox for the verification email sent by the system, then enter the verification code to complete the process. Tap Confirm after entering the code. Next, the app will show how to create face recognition data verification for the door to unlock. Please tap the check icon after reading it. Once in the face recognition screen, please tap the icon below to begin. During the setup of face recognition data, please turn your face slightly in order to increase the accuracy of recognition. After pressing OK, please use the phone to test the face recognition to check if the information is correct. Once the screen appears, it means that the account registration has been successfully completed. Tap on the Tap to Open button. The system automatically detects nearby door locks. If multiple locks are found, please select the one you wish to unlock from the selection screen that appears. Please enter door lock passcode to unlock. If your device has biometric functions such as face recognition or fingerprint, the system will automatically detect and prompt on the screen. You can choose the options most suits you. If your door lock requires you to use face recognition to unlock, the system will automatically pop up the verification screen. Please face the camera until the green frame appears, and pass the verification. The door lock flashes green light one time and a short beep, meaning the door has been unlocked successfully. If you have any comments about the door lock, please tap the menu button in the upper right corner to enter the app menu. On the menu page, tap the Feedback button. Enter your comments in the feedback section.